Hello everyone, it's Lindsay here with another video. I just finished filming my designer box video that you saw on Monday, and now I'm going to open a fun box for Thursday's video. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube and also Poshmark in the Real. I post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. If you enjoy that type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. I mentioned, I think last week, that we are having some family in town over Easter. So it's just been really hectic getting the house ready. And I didn't have time to do a long form jewelry video for this week. But I will have another one of those very soon. I have Thredup DIYs, I have America's Thrift Supply jewelry, and I also have a Goodwill Blue Box. So I'll be selecting one of those to do next week, or if not, hopefully the following week. I'm just trying to do something that is a little bit less time consuming so we can focus on that. But I hope everybody's doing well. This video is going out Thursday. I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I'll definitely be back on Monday with something. I'm just not sure what it's going to be yet. So this is a fun box for tonight. And I think maybe I've had this one for a little while. It does have the purple sticker. I have not opened a fun box since the St. Patty's Day crawl, and that was an amazing box. If you missed it, I got a brooch from the late 1800s, sterling silver William Kerr, a very valuable piece. I had an amazing Coach bag charm or keychain, and it was just a great box. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I think I have one other fun box, but I don't have many in the stash anymore. But I really enjoy opening these. The items are easy to list, and you know, it's a decent-ish price point, and you just never know what's going to be in here. So I will be offering items for sale from the box. If you see anything you'd like to purchase, please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you're a first-time customer. I do bill you out through PayPal, and I do require payment upon receipt of your invoice. I don't keep invoices open more than 24 hours. I've had a couple kind of one-off requests lately, so I just want to be clear that I do not do holds of any kind, and I do need payment no more than 24 hours after I send the invoice. Most of you guys pay right away, which I appreciate, so that's why I don't have to mention it too much. So I ordered this one back on November 12th of 2025, so not too long ago. They run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And sometimes they do send you a themed box, and it's kind of hard to tell by the first look, but I am seeing something branded in there, that Alexandra. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm excited to look. So let me take a thumbnail and then we'll get started. All right, so let's take a look at that first. It feels like a headband, and it does come in this beautiful dust bag. And it is a headband. And this one's just pretty simple with the floral pattern. And it is, it does have the maker on it, Alexandra de Paris, made in France. So that looks really promising. It also has the logo here with a little gold. I don't know if you can see that. And it looks to be in excellent condition. It is orange and then blue, and then it's on a cream base. So I don't want to try that on and risk getting makeup or anything on it. So I'm just going to put that right back into the dust bag. That is certainly an item I'm going to have to look up, and I will put a price on the screen. And oh my gosh, this is Lululemon. And this is a belt bag. This is a bigger size. I did get a Lululemon belt bag in my America's Thrift Supply purse box not too long ago. So this is really nice, a blue, and then it has silver hardware. The buckle, it's very adjustable. And it needs just a little bit of a wipe down. There is a pocket in the back. So that would be awesome to put your phone in. And then you do have the front compartment with the Lululemon. And then there is the tag inside. I'm not sure what style of belt bag this is. If I can find that out, I will put that on the screen. And then you do have a very tiny little front pocket. You could put like your keys or something in there. But all of the zippers work well. And it does say Lululemon on the hardware. So that's an amazing find. These are awesome just when you need something to not worry about. Wipeable, lightweight, and easy to wear as a sling across the body. So that is great. I will look up comps on that as well. And there's still quite a bit in here. We did get a little card for the Thredup Rescue, Renew, Reimagine. That was a die kit that they were doing. And they actually sent me one of the die kits. So this is if you want to take jeans or a shirt and just dye it a different color. So I am not really into DIY or anything like that. So I will definitely offer that for sale. It is brand new and still sealed. And then I will include the little card with that. So that's pretty random. I don't know if they still offer that. They used to do a box that included the die kit, I believe, for denim. And next up, we have a huge brooch here. And this feels like a modern piece, but I will give it a Google lens. It has a double roller clasp there since it's so heavy. Down there and up there, and then you can also wear it as a pendant. There is a bail with gunmetal hardware, and it is huge. Beautiful brooch though, multicolor, and it looks like all the stones are there, and I do not see any scratching on that center statement stone. So that is beautiful. I'm going to give that a Google lens, but I mean, it fits almost in the palm of my hand. It's so big. So maybe brooches are a new thing they're including in the box, which I am a-okay with. I love brooches. So next up we have a belt. And this feels really lightweight. It's kind of like a coin belt, but they're not coins. It's super stretchy. And I don't see any maker on that one either. But these boxes can play tricks on you, so I do want to give it a Google lens and just see. But I imagine that this is just one size, and it looks to be in good condition. I don't see any issues with it. The inside is just a stretchy fabric. So not bad. And we do have something here. I have no idea what that would be. It kind of feels like a padded cup for a bra. Maybe it's a coaster. I have no idea what this is. And I hate to open it, but I think that's what we'll have to do. So there's only one of them. It might be a little coaster. It kind of feels like a mouse pad. So maybe it goes with a set and then you can use that as a coaster. So that's interesting. Oh, there is more pieces to this. So we'll leave that out and then take a look. So it must be part of a set. Our next item looks like a nightgown. It is coming up maybe a little bit darker on camera than it actually is. It's a little bit lighter pink. Really soft. And then it does have the racer back with the lace. This is Linnea Donatella. And it's just a one-piece small petite. So that is great. I love selling sleepwear. And there might be just like some extra thread there that needs to be trimmed, but I don't see any marks or anything on it. And let me see if I can get the material. It doesn't say there. Here we go. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, but it is really soft like butter. And our next item is a hat. And this is nice. It comes with a little elastic band so you can fold it up and it's actually a visor, 90% paper and 10% poly. And then it does have a bow on the side. So this is cute. I can't see what I'm doing to see if I don't have it on right because it's falling off. But that's really nice for travel. I would prefer, I think, a full hat, you know, just so your scalp doesn't get burnt. But this is cute. It seems to be large. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, but let me make sure the Velcro works. So I Velcroed it first, and that made it go on a little bit easier. So, I mean, it is a generous size for sure. I mean, it doesn't feel too big, but if you have a small head, it might be too big for you. So you may have saw Phoenix, he's out here, but it looks like he just went in. And then next we have some little slipper socks. These do have the grippers on the bottom. They're really, really soft. These are heat retainers by Mutlux. They're the thermal ballerina slipper, and they are one size fits most. Extra thick construction, super soft, brush lining, durable, high density yarn, thermal insulation. So those are really nice. They are incredibly soft. So I will put a price on the screen for that. I'll probably just look up all this stuff and put prices on the screen. We do have a few pieces of hosiery in here. And a bra. This is Spanx. And this is Breast of Both Worlds reversible bra. And I don't know if this is supposed to be a sports bra. It looks like that to me. It is a tan color and then it reverses to black. And this is a extra large. It looks very small for an extra large. It is obviously stretchy, but it definitely looks on the small side. And let me see if there is a chart. It does not have an MSRP on there. And I don't see a size chart. So I could probably try that on, but it looks like it might be too small for me. And I'm like a large or extra large top. But I might try that on and just check it out. But that's a great item. It is brand new. So that is great. And then we do have some more Spanx here. This is the Assets by Spanx, the Red Hot label. This is an extra large. Soft nude, suggested retail 62. So this is like a full body shaper. You do have the thin straps and then also the shorts. So that is great if you have an event where you need to wear a formal dress. This is very nice. This is how it looks on. And it does have the hole there for easy access to go to the restroom. So that is great. I love selling that kind of stuff. It always moves pretty quickly. And we got more Wolford. I did have this in my St. Patty's Day box. And these are really, really high-end intimates and hosiery. These are a small. They are the medium support, complete support tights, but medium support. And they're a size small, and it looks black on the photo, but they are a tan color. Gobi, I don't know if that is the color. And they're a small. I think the extra small said that it fit like a size 4 US. There is the size chart if you want to pause and take a look at that. But that's a great item. I think my other pair, I can't remember what I listed them for on Poshmark, but the comps are really good. And next up, I have Kate Spade socks. And these are cute. They do have the little ruffled tie or the ruffled top with a bow. And these are one size, just black Lycra. These need just a little bit of a lint rolling, but otherwise look great. We'll do $5 on those. And then this is the piece that goes with the little coaster. I mean, maybe that's a mini mouse pad, I'm not sure. But this is just the little wrist support, and shocking, it is Mosiso. So we'll just do $5 if you want both of those. If not, I might hold on to the thing for the desk. And last but not least are some sunglasses, and these are branded. So they are a nice tortoiseshell frame. These are Piranha. I do not know that brand, so I will have to look that up. But I do like getting sunglasses in here. These ones do have a scratch kind of right in the eye line, so that's not good. Otherwise they look good. They're not all scratched up, but there is a scratch like right here. And it's hard to tell if you can really see it or not because I need glasses for distance. So it's hard to really tell if that's bothering me or not. But there's definitely a scratch right here that's pretty lengthy. So I will definitely discount those down for the condition, but otherwise they're in really good shape. And this was another amazing fun box. I'm really, really happy with this one. And I think we got more than 10 pieces. We had one with the sunglasses. We'll just count this as one item. So 2 with the computer accessories, 3 with the Wolford, 4 with the Kate Spade, 5 with the Spanx bra, 6 with the Spanx shaper, 7 with the visor. We'll just do $5 on that if anybody likes that. And that caused me to lose count. Next we had the nightgown by Linnea Donatella, new tags. We had the belt. We had the Muckluck heat warmer slipper socks. We had the gorgeous brooch. That is massive. And we had this for something, maybe that was for the belt. I'll just put that in there. And then we had the die kit, which I believe is a Thredup product. We had the Lululemon belt bag. And we had this awesome headband. I can't wait to look this up. So this box will no doubt be a profit. I would be very surprised if that headband doesn't comp well. And of course the belt bag, Spanx, Wolford, really was an amazing box. I'm definitely going to pick up another one of these if I can catch the next restock. I hope that you have a wonderful Easter and a great weekend, and I'll see you back on Monday with a brand new video.